In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products using Stripe. To get started, log into your Stripe account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Product Catalog. This is where you'll create the item you want to sell. Next, click Add Product. In the name field, enter the name of your digital product. Make sure the title is clear and easy for customers to understand. After that, add a product description that explains exactly what buyers will receive. This is an important part of the setup because a strong description helps customers know what they're paying for and can reduce confusion later. If you'd like, you can also upload a product image. This step is optional, but it can make your product look more polished and professional, especially if you plan to share the payment link on sales pages or social media. Now, move down to the pricing section. If you're selling a digital product that customers pay for once, choose one-off. If you're offering a subscription-based digital product, choose recurring instead. Then enter the product price in the amount field and select the correct currency. If you chose a subscription, you'll also need to select a billing period, such as monthly or yearly, depending on how you want to charge your customers. Once everything looks right, click Add Product to save it. After your product has been created, go to Payment Links in the Stripe dashboard. From there, click Create Payment Link. Select the digital product you just added, then review the checkout settings and customer information options. This is where you can make sure the checkout experience matches what you need before sending customers to pay. When you're ready, click Create Link. Stripe will generate a payment link for your product. Copy that link, because this is what you'll share with potential buyers. You can post the payment link on your website, include it on sales pages, share it through social media, or add it to email campaigns. This gives customers a simple way to purchase your digital product without needing a full online store setup. After payment is completed, deliver the digital product using your preferred method. That could be through email, cloud storage, or a course platform, depending on the type of product you're selling. Finally, keep an eye on your orders and payments from the Stripe dashboard so you can track sales and stay organized. Thanks for watching.